I have reviewed quite a few ice machines and I'm really impressed by this one. This was sent for my review and I can't get over how quickly it makes ice. So it does say that it takes anywhere from like 6 to 13 minutes to make your first like 9 pieces. And I'm pretty sure it made them in like 4 minutes. I remember I fill it up with water, the ice came down and I was like, whoa, already? I also love how easy it is to operate. In the front, I've tried some ice machines where there's just so many buttons, but basically you have your on and off button and then you have your small or your large ice. So we are currently making some large ice and really simple to use. You take your basket out, you fill up your water here. You do have a max fill line and I am seeing, oh, not yet. Okay, so on the front, I thought it said I needed to add some water, but I do not need to add water yet. I love that this will light up when it is time, but right now there's enough water and then obviously it is freezing the little cubes in the back. It does come with your little scooper. These ones here are the bigger ice cubes, which is really fantastic. This can hold 1.5 liters of water and it will also, this little basket, hold 1.3 pounds of ice, so which is really great. Obviously, it's just as long as there's water in here, it will continuously make that ice. Of course, it's going to get to a point where if there's too much ice, this is going to come down and then, you know, won't make any more because it knows that there's nowhere to put the ice cubes. So then once you start taking that ice out, then it will continue. It also has a self-clean mode. So the power on and off button, you just have to hold it down for 5 seconds and then it will go into that self-clean mode, which is going to take about half an hour. This is, I love how compact it is and it is all plastic. So it is super light, easy to carry around. It does have a little handle as well. So of course you can just grab this and go. And yeah, this is really great, you know, to bring to parties. If you're having a party, you know, if you have like an RV, of course it does need to be plugged in. So of course keep that in mind. It does come in different colors as well. It comes in this really nice white one. But yeah, if you're looking for an ice machine that is really fast, reliable, and obviously makes ice cubes, highly recommend.